This is how the headlights look now, before we're gonna refurb them. Yellowish and freaking dirty. Wet sanding it now already with 2000. Started off with 800 and then we went all the way up to 2000, and then after this we will go to 2500 and then go to the next step. Alright, wet sanding finished, up to the next step. The yellow tint is already gone. Yellow film of grime and sun. So still a little bit of glazing. So we're doing a two-step polish now and wait for the result. And ready. Those headlights look just like new. Yeah, the engine bay, that's another story.